Everyone, good morning. Today I am having the Hindu newspaper 20th July Tuesday. So let's get started and see important news of today. So guys, let's started and see important news. So in the first page there is no such news which is important, okay? So come to the next page. Next page is also not important. Fourth page, no, not at all. Fifth also. So directly we come to our editorial section. Here all editorials are important. First editorial, health above faith. It's important. Then the crisis ahead from learning loss of resumptions. If school revert to business as usual, India has to be prepared to confront a disaster in educational outcomes. Important. Then come to this. Egypt takes center age in West Asian affairs. It is also important, okay? Then come to this one. Laughter challenge. So it's this news is not important, okay? Then this one. Surveillance reform is the need of the hour. This is very important, very okay. Then this one, making India a sporting nation. It is also important, okay. Then come to this news, a more humane police force. So this one is also important. So come to our next page. Page number 8. Here is also no news. Page number 9. Here is this one is important. Then this one is important. Then this one is important. So in the third page, these three news are important. This one, illegal surveillance is not possible in India. Then a wake up call for the security on the internet, WhatsApp CEO. Then this one, several Delhi based NVO staff of NGOs on the Pegasus list. Okay. Then come to the next page. This page, protecting children is a priority. So this is not important. Then this one, Pakistan accuses India of using FATF for political ends. So this one is important. Then this one, rain deficit may hit oilseed farmers. This was also important, okay. This is this one, speedy trial on fundamental rights. So this one is not important, okay. Then come to the next page, that is world section. Here is this one is very important, global call for end to Taliban offensive. Very important. Then Microsoft hack caused by China USA allies. So this one is also important. Then this one, Gotabaya Raja Prakash to seek second term of president. So this one is also not important. Then this one, UK lift corpse as scientists warn of pandemic surge. So this one is also not important. Then this one, climate change has added over 1 lakh in swipe Alps. So this one is important, okay. This one is new. This news is about the glacier. So this one is very important. Come in our geography section, okay. Then come to the next page. That is our business section or economic section. Here this one is important. India on the course of for 11% growth this fiscal to meet deficit goal. This one is very important. Then Supreme Court reserves order on the telecom space in the AGR case. So not important, okay. then then um, then in the apart from this here is no such news which is important in our economic section. So only this one is this one is important, so take this, okay. And as usual in our sports section, no such news. Last page is also our sports. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you like my video, hope it's helpful for you. So for daily have daily updates, please subscribe to my channel and like my video, and thank you.